Welcome to Spot On. My name is Sabine, and today let me give you some insights about the Porsche Voice Pilot.
Check it out.
To use the voice control function known as Porsche Voice Pilot, you need to have Connect services activated. To configure your Porsche Voice Pilot, briefly press on the voice control button on the steering wheel and select the globe on the lower left corner. This will lead you directly to the settings. We recommend activating the online recognition of voice commands as well as the key phrase "Hey Porsche." The online recognition of voice commands will lead you to better results, as this will give you directly access to our online database. This setting is particularly important for destination input, media, weather, and calendar recognition. With the key phrase "Hey Porsche", you will be able to speak to your vehicle directly. If you wish, you can also activate interrupt voice control as well as short dialogue. When using the Porsche Voice Pilot, feel free to talk to your vehicle as if you would to a human being. Your Porsche Voice Pilot understands your natural language. No matter which method you choose, whether via key phrase or button, you can say your command immediately. Here are some possible commands for your daily use. Hey Porsche, I'm cold.
It will be warmer soon.
Hey Porsche, drive me to Berlin. You can pause the Porsche Voice Pilot by tapping on the microphone icon or by simply saying pause. The blue globe indicates that online voice recognition is activated. If the data connection is insufficient or the online voice recognition has not been activated, the Porsche Voice Pilot automatically switches to offline mode. This means that some functions are limited in use. The offline mode is indicated by the crossed out gray globe. I hope you enjoyed the information about the Porsche Voice Pilot. See you in the next video.